Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Password Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and this green sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, Google Autofill was successfully disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!